Carrot, aloe vera gel with lemon juice and got blessed with glowing skin. I need 1 carrot. Grate the carrot. Carrots possess a powerful natural antiseptic that kills germs and protects your skin from free radicals. Carrot face mask gives you a glowing, spotless skin. It rejuvenates your skin by removing dead cells. Carrots can help in clearing acne from your skin and get rid of unwanted pimples. Carrots are great if you suffer from dry skin because they are packed with potassium. Moisturizes your skin and gives it radiance, and improves skin complexion. Carrot contains beta-carotene, which reduces skin inflammation and promotes the renewal of new skin cells. Increases cell turnover, brightens skin, reduces inflammation. Extract the juice from the great carrot. Carrot is a useful component in skin lightening and brightening. Due to its ability to heal and tone the skin, lessen wrinkles and scars, boost suppleness, and give the skin the antioxidant beta-carotene. Carrot is absolutely great for your skin and body, especially when made into cream and masks and used directly on the skin. It hydrates, brightens, and takes. It protects against sun damage. Carrots are rich in compounds called carotenoids. Add few drops lemon juice. Lemon is good for your face, is that it helps you achieve even-toned, smooth, and glowing skin. It reduces inflammation. It has anti-aging benefits. It reduces pimples. Lemon juice can get rid of dead skin cells. Lemon on your skin have to do with the natural acidity. Add 1 spoon aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel can hydrate the skin, fight acne, keep wrinkles at bay, nourish hair, soothe rashes, heal wounds. Aloe vera gel acts a great exfoliator and unclogs all the pores, reducing the appearance of acne on the skin. Aloe vera for the face can help moisturize and soothe skin. Aloe vera gel on your face every day to moisturize the skin and soothe minor irritation as long as you are not allergic. Soothing sunburns and skin injuries, moisturizing skin, fading dark spots and stretch marks, managing acne. Mix. A little lemon juice on a pimple will dry it right up, and wiping your face with lemon will brighten your skin. Our refreshing skincare solution, our carrot, aloe vera gel, and lemon juice blend is a natural and refreshing way to nourish and revitalize your skin. Mix the juices of carrots and aloe vera and apply regularly to fight the signs of early aging. Fading dark spots and stretch marks. The face and neck and massage lightly, avoiding the eyes. Let it sit on your skin for 15–20 minutes, then rinse with warm water.